welcome back to Epic Beauty Fail. I'm Jessica. On today's video, we're going to be doing another Throwback Thursday. And this week, just so you know, you might be hearing my dog barking. The trash truck just went by. She's not very happy. Anyway, this week we're going to be using the NYX Wicked Dreams palette. And this is a little known fact, but this is the very first palette that I bought when I started my channel. If you go back to one of the very first videos I posted on my channel in December 2016, somewhere in that range, I posted a Black Friday haul, and I posted a come shop with me. I think I did two separate videos. I'm pretty sure I did two separate videos. I bought this on Black Friday in Ulta in November of 2016. And I know I posted that in the video, and I'm pretty sure, I'm pretty sure I did a haul video as well after that as well. So this is the very, very first palette I bought when I started my channel. That was before I knew anything about makeup, like at all. It does still have the two little applicators in here, so I'm going to just drop those out so that they don't fly across the room at some point. But this is what the palette looks like. This is actually still available. Here, I'll hold it up closer for you. This is still available right now. I just looked on the NYX website. It is sold out right now on the NYX website. It is available on Macy's. It's also available at Walmart, apparently, at least from the websites. So you can pick this up at Macy's right now if you so choose. $15, I believe, was the price. So yeah, it's just a wide variety. I know that I've used this. I'm pretty sure that there is a video of my husband does my makeup. We've done that twice, and I can't remember if it was the first one or the second one. I think it might have been the first one. And I'm pretty sure John used this palette for the my husband does my makeup video as well. So yeah, I don't think I have ever used this palette on my channel. I don't think. I could be wrong, but I don't think I've ever used this palette on my channel. Even though it was one of the very first ones I bought, I just don't think I ever really used it. So anyway, on the rest of my face, I'm actually filming a foundation review for December today. So I'm not going to tell you the foundation, but once that posts, you'll be able to see the two videos kind of linked up. I have the Maybelline Fit Me Matte and Poreless Pressed Powder, the NYX Highlight and Contour Pro Palette. I am just using this shade right here as my contour shade. And then I have the Collab No Flaws Liquid Concealer, just a little bit on my under eyes. The Milani Powder Blush in Romantic Rose. The Flower Beauty Highlighting Palette in Shimmer and Strobe Highlighting Palette specifically. I just have this champagne shade here on the end as my highlighter. I have my Painterly Paint Pot already on my lids. Tatcha Silk Canvas Primer, my Pixie Hydrating Milky Mist, and then the Hourglass Caution Extreme Lash Mascara. And I don't have any lip gloss on yet. I do have a lip gloss that I'm going to be putting on here in a minute. I just have some chapstick on right now. So that's what's already on my face. Let's go ahead and jump into this look. I'm going to go ahead and grab a brush, obviously. These don't have any shade names. They don't have any numbers. It's literally just the shades. So I'm going to go into this shade right here, which is a cream, and I'm going to use that to set my Painterly Paint Pot, just to get the eye look going. Nothing too crazy right out of the gate. We'll get that nice and set. All right, next, what shade do I want to go into next? I think what I'm going to use next is, I'm going to use this brown shade right beside it. I'm going to put that into my crease. I'm just using the same blending brush, and I'm going to put that into my crease to start building that shade up just a little bit. Okay, there's not a whole lot of middle shades in this palette. That's one of the problems I've always had with it. There's a lot of pale shades and then a lot of dark shades, but there's not like a lot of like interim middle hued shades. I think what I'm going to do next is, I think I'm going to go into this shade right here, which is like a peachy shade. I'm going to put that all over my lid. And then I'm going to go over it with a shimmer as well. So I'm going to be using this eye shading brush. Like I said, I'm going to go in with the matte first, and then I'm going to go in with the shimmer on top of it. All right, I'm going to go into the gold shimmer here on the end, and I'm going to place that on my lid as well. I'm just going to use the same brush, and I think I might have to actually wet this because it is not... It's not coming through very well. Hold on 1 second. Let me grab my Fix Plus. Okay. I'm gonna get a little bit of that shadow on my brush. And then let's see what it looks like wet. Not a whole lot of difference, to be honest with y'all. Well, maybe. No, it's actually getting on my lid. Okay, it's not as shimmery as I would have liked it to be, but it's not bad. And there she goes again. I know the trash truck's not still here. It's gone, but I don't know what she's barking at now. Okay. Let's see how it looks on this eye. Okay, that doesn't look too bad. It's not super shimmery, but it's not bad either. I think that's Wednesday that's barking, my littler dog. I think what her problem is right now is that she can still hear the trash truck, but she can't see it because it's like out of our street. I think that's what's driving her nuts. Okay, that's not bad. That's not bad at all. I am going to... This is where I start to get into a little bit of a problem because, like, there's some blues and some grays, and there's a green over here. I'm going to go into this shade right here, which is actually a little bit of a shimmer. All right, I'm going to take this brush right here. This is from Royal Line Nickel. It just says Smoky Eye on it. And I'm just going to use the tip of that brush in that lighter shimmer shade and just put that on my inner corner. And there's not too much shimmer to it. It's just a little bit. So I think I'm going to actually run that along the brow bone as well, just to give me a little bit of a highlight there. All right, I'm going to take this outer V brush. I'm going to go into the purple shade right here, and I'm just going to darken up the outer V. See how this looks. Okay, that is a little bit of a challenge to blend out. I'm having some problems over here on my right eye, not so much on my left eye. So I don't know what's going on there. I'm actually just going to keep using this brush, just the very, very tip of it. And I'm going to smoke that purple shade along my lower lash line. I think that's all I'm going to do to my eyes. John is actually not here right now, so what I'm going to do is just stop the camera, and as soon as he gets home, I will call him up here and show him my look and get his opinion. So I am going to go ahead and turn off the camera, and I will see you guys in a couple of hours when John gets home. All right, I'll see you then. Bye.
Bam. All right, let's have it.
All right, before I turn around, I want to say one quick thing. I put this makeup on about 7.5 hours ago, so it's been a little bit of time. So just, keep that in mind.
7.5 hours. Yes. Oh my gosh.
What?
Where'd your makeup go?
Oh. You're being silly. So I only mentioned that because I did tell them when I actually filmed the video that you weren't home and it was going to be several hours before you got home, and it's been like 7 hours actually. And the reason why I say that is because a lot of times you'll put eyeshadow on. Yeah. You'll put eyeshadow on and it will fade throughout the day.
Yeah. I definitely see that.
I don't think this has faded all that much. Yeah, I don't really think this has faded all that much. I mean, I've got some mascara that's kind of flaked a little bit.
I was gonna say because you have like it looks like there's a fall Yeah,
I definitely have some mascara. That's mascara. Mascara and I usually have flaky mascara. It's just the way it is. So it's I mean it's not.
You're awful shiny for using foundation. Just Same.
Well, the foundation's not part of this video.
Oh, I apologize, but I was reviewing your entire look.
Like I said, this is a Throwback Thursday.
Throwback Thursday.
And the palette that I'm using is this one right here. This is the NYX Wicked Dreams palette. And this is the very first palette that I bought when I decided I was going to start my channel that you filmed me in Ulta on Black Friday in 2016.
What?
You filmed me in Ulta shopping.
And that's what you bought.
And this is the eyeshadow palette I bought. And you've actually used this eyeshadow on me for My Husband Does My Makeup video.
Really?
Yes.
I can't hardly remember that.
Probably not.
All right, fine. How about you shut your eyes and let me take a look at your eye look then. Okay. So we're going with a peach gold gray.
I did not use any gray. Actually, what I think you're thinking of as the gray is this purple right here.
Really?
Yeah, it was not. It's this purple
I see it.
right here.
Yep.
It's not. It did not. Obviously, in the pan, it's very dark.
Right.
It did not go as dark on my eyes.
Can you give me a full? Okay, now you know that one eye is smokier than the other. Just letting you know.
Okay, thank you.
It is your right eye.
This one over here?
It has a lot more smoke going on than the other eye. Go ahead and give me that full frontal there. Yeah. It's a little smokier over here than it over there. Now it is gold throughout. You're definitely, the rose gold is definitely present.
I use this gold right here.
Yeah. Mm-hmm. It looks like you put a dab of something.
I used this shade right here on the inner corner.
Right.
If that's what you were going to say. Yes, I did use a different shade on the inner corner.
There's a little extra.
Yes.
A little extra there. Other than that, I mean, obviously, whatever you had on your lips fell off.
Yeah, I did have a lip gloss. Actually, I did not put it on when I filmed the first part of this video, but I did have just a lip gloss on, so it was going to come off pretty easily. I'm
not going to lie to you. I don't know. I mean, I know you said it's not necessarily a part of this review, but whatever is going on with your foundation, it is failing. Because that is, unless you're going for a dewy, sweaty look. Are you shooting for that? I mean, is that where you're going with this?
I get very oily in my T-zone.
All right, fine. Well, okay. Is this part of your T-zone?
Yes. This would be my T-zone right here and my forehead. Okay. My forehead doesn't get super shiny, but my nose and like around my mouth and my chin, right around my nose, gets pretty shiny throughout the day. Yeah.
All right.
Not in like the dead of winter, because in like the dead of winter, it's not as warm and I dry out. Yeah, my skin gets very dry towards the middle of winter. But I am filming this foundation review in the first part of November, and it was actually pretty mild today.
Yeah, it wasn't terrible.
Temperature wise, it was like upper 50s, like 58, 59, something like that. So it was not super cold today, and I had the heat on in here. So
you had the heat on, good.
Yeah, because I was cold.
Okay.
Anyway,
you should grow your hair long.
So my hair is long.
Oh.
So anyway, I think that I don't normally give a commentary like this because I'm normally having you review it right after I put it on, but I think the eyeshadow has actually stayed pretty well for it being a lower end drugstore makeup. I mean, this is a NYX palette. I have other NYX palettes that are actually more expensive than this one. This one's only a $15 palette. And I was pleased to find that it actually is still sold. It is. I could go to Macy's and buy this. Apparently, it's on Macy's.com.
Is it gone down in price? Or
it's $15. I don't know how much I paid for it 2 years ago, but I can tell you that I looked it up online and it's $15 right now. So, there's that.
There it is.
If I was not just about to film my foundation review wrap up, which I'm going to film as soon as I turn off this video, I'd probably be powdering my nose. So
you'd powder your nose?
Yes.
Why not the rest of your T-zone?
Well, I probably powder my nose and my chin.
Oh, so when people say they're powdering their nose, quote unquote, it's every part of their zone that is oily? Yes,
some people have totally oil skin. Right. Like, I was watching another YouTuber who just does a vlog channel. She doesn't do, she actually started a beauty channel, but then kind of gave up on it. But she has a vlog channel, and she used to carry around with her a brush and her full-size Laura Mercier loose powder.
Isn't that stuff really expensive though?
That stuff is, yeah. It's relatively. But she would actually carry that around in her purse so that she could powder her face because she got oily throughout the day. So she would actually bring her powder with her. Most people would just bring like a compact. Because a compact would have like a little,
a mirror and stuff.
And a little, you know,
little puffy
sponge in it. Yeah, but she would actually bring a loose powder and powder her nose.
Wow.
Throughout the day, or powder her face throughout the day, because she had oily skin all over, and would powder her face throughout the day. And you know, I mean, that's when they go to powder their nose. And I could show you after I film my foundation review wrap up. I can show you that once I powder my nose, it will not be shiny anymore. If you're interested,
your T-zone will be clean.
Yes. Anyway, we're totally off topic.
Fine. If you like this video, make sure that you click the like button.
That's right.
Thumbs up. If you'd like to see these videos as they come out, subscribe. Mm-hmm. Also, don't forget to hit that bell. Ring that bell, as it were, to make sure that you're notified as soon as new content becomes available. For Epic Beauty Fail.
Yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. And I'll see you on the next Epic Beauty Fail.
Yeah, because I may not be here.
I'm trying to think what tomorrow's video is going to be. I don't think you're in tomorrow's video. So.
I knew it.
All right, we'll see you later.
Last.
Bye, guys.
Bye.